Do you think in your heart of hearts that Dintle has left this marriage right now? Do you think that this is goodbye for her? Do you think, Guti, there is no future when you look at everything that is happening currently? Do you think ukuthi uDintle has seen the light and she has decided in her heart of hearts ukuthi lalela, this is it, we're done here, we're done and dusted, I'm moving on. I say this based on the conversation that she had with Umamazala. So before she goes sees the therapist, she was so eager that untloso ha gona mo a yang teng. Ke monna wa ka and ke nna o tla bolelang gore dintle ho irahalang ka ntloso ho irahalang ka yena. Now she goes sees the therapist, and then the therapist took her down memory lane, and then she was elaborating on how she feels that they've rushed everything. And then the therapist said, "Do you think that you are the one that rushed everything, or you both, Niztatenga Mawala, you both rushed into everything? From step one, you jumped to step four, which was supposed to be the last stage, and you did not go through these other steps just to find out if you guys together, or you guys are content with each other, you understand each other, the highs and lows, the bad and good, or you guys just went in for a kill firsthand." And Dintle couldn't answer that, which is something that gave her a flashback of the conversation that she tried to have with Untloso. She went and said, after the therapist has advised that she needs to have an honest conversation with Untloso, she went and sat with Untloso down and said, "Listen, I want you to tell me, at what point do you think that there was a time in your life where Saliwan Rata and you really felt it for me?" And unfortunately, disappointingly enough, Ndloso did not answer that question. He just he could show emotions that you would pick up. It's a no, it was a fling thing, or no, it was a last thing. But he couldn't say it in words, but you can see it from his face. Now that broke Dintle's heart, and she asked him, "Is it only Madomo that you ever loved? Or at some point you once had it for me?" But he didn't answer still. So now when she was sitting with the therapist, the on her therapy session, she said, "You know what? I just realized that this guy never loved me at all. He always loved Umalomo all this time. And I was so desperate for him to marry me. I was desperate for him to love me. And then so much so that I actually initiated for him to leave Umalomo for me. And when I was initiating that, I thought that he was going to love me. But little did I know that he always loved her. And he did say Wuti, he never stopped loving her. Madam was the one that asked for divorce. So now, I think at some point, something clicked in her heart, because when she went back home after that therapy session, she called Umamazala and said to her dad, said, "You said you wanted to go back home, no, no, mtanako." And then Umamazala said, "Yes, ati bona ke ya go lokolla gore o tsamaye le ngwana ha o ye ko KZN." And then Umamazala was like, "How? Wena o dintle wena o bothe nje awufuni uNhloso ahambe, awufuni uNhloso aphuze imithi la kwakho. Manje pinda ujani inokho wena ye futhi kanjani manje?" Athi-kena Bianung, I've just sat and have a conversation with myself. I had time to rethink everything through, and then I realized I can't force myself to be with a man. I can't force myself to fight for a man that does not fight for me," she said. And then Umamazala asked, "You know what? Taking my son back home does not necessarily mean that when it only means ukuthi I want what's the best out of him. Ngifuna aphile. But then again, you have an option ukuthi uzomlinda aze abuye, so that lo mshado lo ungabhidliki like the one for uMadlomo, or you can come down with me to KZN. Mase kulungile, then nizobuya nonke." Athi, "No, I'm not doing that. Thatha ingane yakho uhambe, because at the end of the day, you are the one that said ukuthi mina umntanakho ngimfunza uchefu, umntwana mina ngamgulisa ngamthakatha. So I don't know what changed between them." So it was like shots fired, you know. So now, then Umama Zala was like, "No, you know what? It's going left. my intention was not that your marriage should come to an end. My intention is that untoso appeal. And I think that is exactly what you want as well. So with that said, I want him to appeal, abuye azophilela wena. Udintle is like she does not care anymore. She says, you know what, just do what you have to do, and then that's it. Speaking of doing what you have to do, the police are sniffing around. Bafuna untutuko pototo and the poet. Now they went to A levels to find out if they who are these people and where can they find them. Hayi ubartender wanika wacula aze abuze ukuthi kani yindaba nibafuna laba bathi no khona intombazane ishonile, so we need to speak to these guys because we see on the pictures ukuthi these guys they were together nalo mntwana before ahamba. Akaqhaqhazeli untuthuko le khona uthi wangamuntu osheliwayo ngamabi. So he tells Khalalelo to just keep it cool. Khalalelo must just keep quiet because the police are going to start sniffing around. And Khalalelo was like, no, but we need to tell the police. Yo, agamemezu Khalalelo. Speaking of memezaring, guys, khona umshado. Guys, ini kuyashadwa. Kimagadi lobola twang re bone ngwana o tshwana le lenyelo. Go a shadiwa. Divet's wedding day, we got to meet Divet's father, and Orchids was there, and Mkulu Gasa was there, got to meet Divet's father as well, and it was an exciting moment until a girl walks down the aisle. Everything looked normal and sane, and then she walks down the aisle, and then Pindu Ja. Mutuko yuko defentisa. In my heart, I'm like, I don't believe we're offended. Because why? Yo, Matobela Unalimulomo Omugima went to Sitswadi sa Barikimang sa Tidi. Are yo, waiti, Kialewoha for Tidi Unyala no before Buleti Bobo. Yo, gosh. Like, why? Why Michkopa father? Why are you talking too much? Before we went to and stuff, and then I was like, oh no, you didn't. Now on the other hand, yeah, Victor is packing his bags, he's leaving. He says he does not want to be in a relationship where the other party is feeling sorry for the other party. We want this to be a joint thing where we have mutual understanding, mutual agreement, mutual feelings. And then now where just come from Ferraf. Where is all this coming from? Where is it coming from? Did I say I'm feeling pity for you? No. Did I say I'm feeling sorry for you? No. I want to be with you because I love you. What are you talking about? Oh, Shemu, Mavutela Shem Askis, Baby Hayes, Umuntu Arno, Exalsin you later. I need to go home. Yeah.